Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CVEO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, if you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. I don't mean to state the obvious today, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume, and definitely a whole lot of volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support and resistance. Although I will say, I made the comment, it's a nice movement. That is all a matter of perspective. Meaning, if you were somebody that was accumulating down here, then yes, today the price movement was very nice. If you were somebody that bought right up there or bought right there, then yeah, that wasn't quite as nice for you. So I wanted to clarify that statement. That is a matter of perspective. But the main point here being that a lot of volume came in and the price really woke up. And that's the name of the game for whether trading or investing. I mean, you need volume, and that's what occurred here. But also with that bigger pullback, that maps out and, puts I don't know if it's, do or die would probably be a little bit too intense, but I would definitely say a very important level going forward is $1.05. Why is $1.05 so important? Well, not saying this is what's going to happen, but just help explain. If the price were to come down to $1.05 and then just continue on down, from a logistics standpoint, what would you have? Well, you would literally have the price right back inside of that range where it was before the breakout and before the big move even started. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas if the price came down here, behaved in that manner, and then started to work its way back upwards, now all of a sudden what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows there. You'd have these lows down there if you envision each of those as stair steps. Well, hey, now at least you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as $1.05. What about levels of resistance moving forward? Initial level in the near term going to be right up there at $1.16. And then after $1.16, things, thin out quite a bit. I'm not saying that if $1.16 is broken, then it is automatically flying up to $1.29. But yeah, historically speaking, and just looking through the, there just isn't any other areas of significant resistance. So again, not saying it shoots straight up there, but yeah, there's definitely some potential for another nice movement there if the price can consolidate out and work its way back up to that area there. So we'll see what happens with it and see if the bulls can give it another go back to the upside. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.